Now we are starting here. We are going to do the drive and expression for the electric field at the equatorial line of here electric dipole. Now this is what we are going to discuss here, the electric field due to drive an expression for the electric field at the equatorial line of electric dipole. Yesterday we discussed about this one and class was interrupted in between. यही सीखा ना? सुन रहे हो मेरी गल के नहीं? किस हो गए हो? This is our dipole, and here we are having again, as yesterday we have discussed, point A. This is point A, and here is hello. This is point B. कौन बोल रहा है? हाँ जी. This is point B. At the point A, there is a we can say positive charge, and at the point B there is a, we can say here, this one, sorry, there is a negative charge. Now I can place it here, and this one and here is the middle point. I think this is approximately middle. Now what is this? This is the equatorial line, and at any point there is a point P, and let us suppose this is the point P where we want to find the electric field intensity. And to find the electric field intensity at the point P, what we will do, we will place here, what we will do here we will place test positive charge Q naught. As we will place test positive charge at the point P, then what will happen? Because of the positive charge at point A, it will experience a force along the line joining the two charges. This one, if this is the point P, here you can see this one. This is the line joining the two charges, because this is a positive charge and this one is also, here is a positive charge. The direction of the electric field will be away from P, that is along the line AB. Similarly, if you want to find the electric field intensity at the point P due to this negative charge, then we have to join this negative charge with the point B, because at the point B there is a positive charge. कौन आया? कशिश बड़ी जल्दी आ गई है. Now, as we see that at the point P there is a test charge and at the point B there is a negative charge, the direction of the electric field at the point P will be away from P, because this will be the force of attraction. Now you can see this one is what? This one is E. This one is E plus, and this one is E minus. What is the E plus? So गए at the point P, and E minus is electric field at the point P due to minus charge. And you can see these are the, again we have to see Raj Lakshmi. Now we can see that here at the point P, and this is the total length 2L. Total length is from here and from here. This is the total length 2L, and therefore what will be this length? This is the middle point, and therefore this will be L. And similarly here this distance will be again L. Clear? So therefore in this diagram you can see that here, if you want to see this one, I will bring this here and I will bring this here. Delete marker. इन्हों साइड पे कर. Clear? This one is L. ये भी हटा दो. समझ में लगेगी तानो. Clear? I can erase it like this one, because these are not required. Now here you can see that this one is L and this one is L, and this is the common length. So these two triangles, kedi triangles ban gaye. If I say this is the point O, if this is the point O, then triangle APO and triangle BPO, these are similar. Similar ही होंगी है ना, because all sides are same. Now if this angle is theta and this angle will also be theta, दोनों एंगल बराबर होंगे because this side is common. Clear? So then what will be this angle? If this angle is theta and this angle is theta, then this angle will be, हाँ जी बोलो मैथ वाले हो, मानसी की होएगा? मानसी ना एक मैं तुहानू दसदा है, इस तरह का हुंदा, पता नहीं कॉन्सैप्ट है, थ्योरी है, की है. हाँ जिस तरह ये ट्रायंगल है, then this angle is equal to sum of these two opposite angles. इस तरह हुंदा सी ना. स्क्रीन क्यों नहीं दिसदी? एक मिनट, ਹੁਣ ਦਿਸ ਪਈ? हाँ बोल दिया करो जो नहीं दिसता, ठीक है। हाँ तो मैं कह रहा सीगा दिस एंगल इज इक्वल टू सम ऑफ टू इंटीरियर एंगल्स, है ना। तो इफ दीज टू एंगल्स आर थीटा, तो ए एंगल की हो जाएगा फिर, वेरी गुड, टू थीटा, है ना। हो गया क्लियर? नाउ आई कैन रिजॉल्व दिस इनटू टू कंपोनेंट। अच्छा हम ई दी गल करांगे, व्हाट विल बी द ई प्लस? ई प्लस कितना होएगा? दैट विल बी इक्वल टू के, के मीन्स 1.4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट, इत्थे की आ जाना Q अपॉन, अपॉन की होएगा इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड एक्सप्रेशन याद है, अपॉन की होएगा। हाँ तो व्हाट इज द R इन दिस डायग्राम? व्हाट इज द R? एक चीज ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੈਂ ਦੱਸਣੀ ਰਹਿ ਗਿਆ, I will write here, here what is the R? What is this R? R की है distance of point P from O। R की है distance of point P from O, center of dipole तो point P where we want to find the electric field intensity, तो R is the that much distance। हो गया क्लियर? तो दसो फिर E प्लस की हो जाएगा K Q अपॉन R स्क्वायर, R इत्थे की होना, व्हाट इज द R? डिस्टेंस ऑफ पॉइंट P फ्रॉम नो, चार्ज कित्थे पिया है? अरे चार्ज कित्थे पिया है? E प्लस की है electric field due to positive charge, then where is the positive charge? So therefore what is the distance between A and P? की होना इत्थे फिर, वेरी गुड, इत्थे फिर होना, I will write PA स्क्वायर कर लो या AP स्क्वायर, A P स्क्वायर। सिमिलरली ये कॉपी नहीं होता सारा कुछ, I want to copy this one, हो गया भाई क्लियर। इत्थे की करूँगा इनू हुण मैं, ये एडिट हो जाएगा हुण, ये तो पिक्चर बन गई है ना, ये पिक्चर बन गई है, ये मटेरियल मिटता भी नहीं है, ये पिक्चर बन गई। मैं दोबारा लिखना पैना मैनू। तो सिमिलरली E माइनस, व्हाट इज द E माइनस? that will be equal to K upon, see the diagram, ਹੁਣ ਕੀ ਹੋਣਾ P, हाँ ਹੁਣ ਹੋਣਾ PB²। बस इसे गल का ख्याल रखना, फिजिक्स कोई डिफिकल्ट नहीं है, इट इज़ वेरी इजी। you what you have to do is to remember the things what you are going to do, clear? So therefore E plus and E minus, these are equal to these expressions. Now see the diagram. I will go to the diagram. What is AP and what is the BP values? Can anyone tell? AP, AP is equal to what? Very good. You can see this diagram. मैं diagram इत्थे बना देना. This is the triangle. What is the, this is the diagram. A point केड़ा? Very good. This one is P. And what is this one? अरे इधर आ जा। A, clear? And what is this one? Very good. O. This is the point O. And what is this length? This is the L. अब म्यूजिक बंद करो, कैन चलाया यार। And what is this? R. So we will use which theorem? Where? So therefore AP is equal to, इत्थे मैं स्क्वायर पा दूंगा, AP स्क्वायर is equal to, हाँ, R स्क्वायर प्लस and what about PB? See the diagram. In the diagram, in the triangle, मैं दोबारा नहीं बनाऊंगा हम, same O B P. In this diagram you can see this length is again L, this length is again R. So therefore PB will be again equal to L square plus R square, the square root. So therefore AP square is equal to this one, and this is also equal to PB square. Means both are having same value. Same value na? So therefore if you will see this, if you will see these two expressions, दिखाई दे रहे हैं? It means E plus is equal to E minus. लेकिन ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕ ਕੰਡੀਸ਼ਨ ਹੈ, ਉਹ ਕੰਡੀਸ਼ਨ ਮੈਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਲਿਖਣ ਲੱਗਾ। What is the condition? Only magnitude. not the direction. You can see the diagram. Directions are different. This one is along AP and this one is along another direction. Clear? So therefore these are equal in magnitude but not in direction. So that is why ਇੱਥੇ arrow ਪਾਉਣ ਦੀ ਲੋੜ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗੀ. ਜੇ ਮੈਂ ਇੱਥੇ arrow ਪਾਉਂਗਾ, ਪਾਵਾਂ arrow? मान लो मैं ਇੱਥੇ arrow ਪਾਤਾ. तो is this relation true? गलत हो गई रिलेशन. फिर सही कितना करना है इनू? जे एरो ਤੁਹਾਡੇ को पै जाए फिर ਇੱਥੇ ਕੀ ਪਾ ਦੋ? हाँ, बार पा दो. Clear? So in this way these two vectors are equal in magnitude but not in direction. So direction creates a problem, and because of that we have to split this E plus and E minus into two components. See here, ये डायग्राम दोबारा बनावा मैं, इस सिर्फ इतना पोर्शन दोबारा बनाऊंगा. बनावा कि ठीक है? बोलो. मैं ਇੱਥੇ बना देना another diagram so that it will be clear to you. Now what is this? This is the point P. Clear? Now this is the point P. I will shift it towards near to this one, and this was, what was this? E. की जगह E plus के minus, and this was E negative. Clear? Now you can see, and this angle was, what is this? 2 theta. Clear? Now I will split this. If I draw two lines here, if my coordinate system बना दूँगा, that is I will draw this line here and here. You can see this line. No, it is clear. Clear? Now I can split this vector into two components. This vector, as this total angle is 2 theta, so therefore this angle will be theta, and this angle will also be theta. Theta plus theta, 2 theta. Why these angles are equal? Because the E plus and E minus, their magnitudes are equal. Okay, clear? Now I can resolve this E plus into two components. One component along x-axis and another component along y-axis. Similarly, I can resolve E minus into two components. One component along x-axis, another component along y dash axis. And you know very well, what do you know? Where there is an angle, that component is cos theta. So therefore this component for E plus will be, this will be E plus cos theta, and this component will be, very good, E plus sin theta. And similarly, when I resolve this E minus, then this component will be E माइनस की होना कॉस के साइन, साइन साइन क्यों आएगा अभी, साइन क्यों आएगा, थीटा इधर है, तो देयरफॉर इट विल बी cos theta, cos theta, and this will be e minus sin theta। हो गया क्लियर? now you can see this one and this one, these are in opposite direction, totally opposite है ना, one along y axis, another along y dash axis, so being opposite in direction they should cancel each other, and will they cancel each other? If their magnitudes are equal they will cancel। now in both sides sin theta, angular part equal हो गया, and on the other side we have already proved that e plus is equal to e minus, we have proved, therefore e plus sin theta and e minus sin theta being equal and opposite will nullify each other, will cancel each other, but here you can see, मैं सर्कल बना दूंगा तो पता लग जाए, a here दिखाई दे रहा, here e plus cos theta and e minus cos theta, these are in same direction, positive x axis, and therefore they will, ਇੱਥੇ मैं बना देना arrow, की बन जाना, ਇੱਥੇ ले देना, की हो जाना है, हाँ add together, ठीक है, ते आ वाले हाँ इत्थे की लिखांगे, नलीफाई, नलीफाई कर देना, कैंसिल कर देना, ईच अदर क्यों करनगे, बीइंग इक्वल इन मैग्नीट्यूड but opposite in direction, cancel each other being equal in magnitude but opposite in direction, so therefore साडे को की बच गया थे सारी राम कहानी विच जो असी डिस्कस किया, what is left only these together they will add to up, so therefore here we'll write down previous लिखा, previous next ਇੱਥੇ लिख देना, तो therefore की बन जाएगा e, ਇੱਥੇ एक वर्ड लिखूंगा मैं, वो सोना करके लिख देना, वो की है नेट, बाकी तो बहुत सोना सीखा ना, ई नेट समझ गए, E net is equal to E net is equal to क्या है ना, E plus cos theta E plus cos theta, ਇੱਥੇ ਕੀ ਹੋਣਾ, ਇੱਥੇ ਕੀ ਹੋਣਾ, E minus cos theta, थीटा कितना सोना पाया, ठीक है, तो एक ही बन जाएगा, हुण cos theta सेम एज sin theta सेम सीगे, तो cos theta सेम हो गए, e plus and e minus we have proved already these are equal, so therefore here we can write on 2e नहीं होना इतने 2e ਜਾਂ प्लस लिखो ਜਾਂ माइनस लिखो दोनों विचों कोई भी लिख लो की लिखना मेरे लिए माइनस पाना सौखा है इस करके माइनस पाता तो ये बन जाएगा -2e cos थीटा नाउ पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ e दी वैल्यू की सी के याद है के क्यू अपॉन की सीगा ई माइनस दा अरे ई माइनस दा की सीगा हाँ ये कौन बोलिया मानसी है बड़ी इंटेलिजेंट है पी बी स्क्वायर इंटू कॉस समझ लगी अब तक इज इट क्लियर now we have to put the value of PB and cos theta. For this one we have to go back. Here either you can take this triangle, because in this triangle this one is theta. Theta is na. Now in this triangle what is the cos theta? From this one cos theta is equal to, in this triangle AOP, cos theta will be equal to what? ये कड़ा फार्मूला आंदा भाई हाँ cos theta आंदा base over hypotenuse. What is the base? OA है ना, OA है. And what is the hypotenuse? Very good. AP. Clear? We can put this value. कर दिए? हुण इनू मैं की करा? इनू मैं करना हूँ कॉपी, क्योंकि बार बार लिखना मेरे वास्ते मुसीबत है. ठीक है, तो दिस इज द our this one we can say that value. Now we will put the value of PB and cos theta. PB दी वैल्यू याद है? PB दी वैल्यू कड्डी ऐसे कहते हैं. हाँ देखो PB दी वैल्यू है ना, PB square is equal to R square plus L square. So therefore we will put the value of PB. So this will be equal to 2 and this one is K. मेरा बैग दी जेब चाहना काला बड़ा बैग नॉट Q upon what is the PB? PB is R square plus L square. लेकिन ये PB स्क्वायर ही है, ठीक है. एंड इनटू cos theta I will go back. This one is OA upon AP. Clear? And I can rewrite here, थोड़ा जन करेक्ट कर लेने हैं. OA की है, what is the OA? OA की है L. And what is the AP? AP can be equal to BP. AP is equal to BP. और लिख सकते हैं ना इतने BP. So this is BP. Clear? थोड़ा जा मैं चेंज करूंगा एक मिनट. Here I will change a little bit. I will erase this one. here I will keep this one PB as it is. PB या BP गल एक ही है ना. This is PB square, and what is the value of cos theta? Cos theta was L upon BP. L upon BP याद है या इथे भी रेज करके I can change this one. L upon I will write again here BP की जगह I will write PB. It will be easier for us to understand. Clear? Now I will put this value. बैटरी लो होगी. 1 मिनट वेट करोगे जरा. 1 मिनट वेट करना. Now cos theta is, what is cos theta? L upon PB. So therefore it will become 2K QL upon PB की बन जाएगा PB क्यूब बन जाएगा. क्लियर? नाउ what is this one? K as it is. Except K, what is there? 2Q. Very good. It is Q into 2L, that is equal to P divided by, what is the PB? PB किस का? R square plus L square raised to power 3 divided by 2. Divided by 2 क्यों आया? Because this is, we have put the value of PB. We have put the value of PB, and PB is equal to square root of R square plus L square. समझ लग गई? तो it will be, नहीं लगी? लग गई? So therefore now we will go to our derivation. You can see here. You can see here. This is EB KQ upon, and that is KQ upon BP square. Clear? A ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਇਹ ਲਿਖਣ ਦੀ ਲੋੜ ਅਸੀਂ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਆ. ਆਹ ਵਾਲੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਨਾ ਅਸੀਂ ਲਿਖੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗੀ. ਸਮਝ ਗਏ? Clear? We have written only the first step. Similarly, because of negative charge, this is AP square. You can see the diagram, and at last we got this expression E is equal to KP upon R square A square raised to power 3 pi. हो गया क्लियर? समझ लग गई? चलो. हाँ, ਹੁਣ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਅਟੈਂਡੈਂਸ ਕਿੰਨੇ 26 ਹੈ. ਬਾਕੀ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਨਹੀਂ. ਕੀ ਗੱਲ ਕੀ ਹੈ? चलो ठीक है, बाकी हुण करांगे आपां कल, ठीक है, ओके।